Okay guys, I'm out here. We're gonna do the whole thing from start to finish. We're gonna light the smoker, we're gonna check on the bees, and just see how they're doing. It's a weekend day here, so everybody's outside celebrating and enjoying their outdoor time. Okay, so they're definitely currently active. Hopefully this is not going to be a bad move as far as going in there to check on them. Might change that reducer, give them a little more room to get in and out. Guys, they're doing their job. I left that in there too long and they're making comb around it. I mean, that's not ideal, but I'm super excited about it. There's still a pretty fair amount of sugar in the feeder. So they must be going out to get, you know, whatever they need out of the hive. So let me get in here and get out this cage. And, oh, is that the queen? No, that's a drone. It's a drone. So I basically just need to be super careful that I don't accidentally squish the queen or something. All right. Look at this. They're doing their thing. It's so cool. Was not a good keeper for leaving this in here. And see if I could find the queen just to give it a shot. I see a fair amount of drones. I can't see her just off the bat looking. I also I don't see any capped brood either, but they've only been in there a week, so. The last frame they're kind of doing stuff on. They seem pretty happy or content, you know, as far as staying busy and doing their thing, I guess. Crazy. So cool. They seem really crowded, obviously right now, but just in general, they've been seeming kind of... Oh look, it's coming in with pollen. I don't know if you saw that. So I want to make sure they have enough room to do what they need to do. Hey, Bubby. Super cool. What are you doing, lady? So, let's see if I can swap that out. I think I'll leave this feeder on for another week also, just to kind of make sure they're not struggling. There's also still plenty of bees up in here using this, it looks like. So I don't want to disrupt that. Okay, back together and stop smoking us all out.